Okay, so yesterday I was cleaning this up, getting it ready for the new frame. I'm going to use it, and I suddenly figured out something about how I could never understand how 3-speed and 8-speed and this is an internal hub. And you can see, if you go like that, for regular bicycles that have like a sprocket, on those sort of bicycles, the axle plays a central role in holding the bicycle up, holding the person, holding what's being carried. But for internal hub, I see that the other detail is these things, you might be able to see it's square here, and there are also these things here, and if you can see, if you see how that is, it's got like one side that's special, and this part fits right into the frame, and so this has to fit on exactly right. And so for the internal things, for internal hubs, internal gears, it's important that the axle not move. That's part of the thing that's pushing the bicycle forward. The axle is locked into place, and then the chain, normally what happens, like you can see, like if the chain is pulling in this direction like this, then naturally it wants to turn. It wants to turn the entire axle like that. But when it's locked, when the axle is locked into place, and you try to do that, instead it pushes the wheel forward, and that's how internal transmissions of the transmission of the pedaling power gets. That's how it works, and it's really something I found it to be very, very interesting. I'd wondered about that for many years, how internal gears could work, and it was yesterday that I finally figured out how it all works. So like if this is the bicycle would be going in that direction. This is the cable comes in, and this is all locked into place. Then it pushes like that. It's really kind of interesting. I never understood that before, and the difference between internal hubs and sprockets and all that. And I figured it out yesterday, and I was really quite happy about that. Okay, so that's that.